Hey guys, welcome back to Isabel's Moments, and I bet you can guess what we're doing today. We're doing an unboxing. So I got like 3 packages, and I don't know if you can guess what that is. Of course, it's like my giant trays. I couldn't find anywhere where I can only get 1, so I ended up ordering 2. I'm getting my little sheet out here. I'm gonna move these aside real quick. And I'm also gonna show you what I got for my birthday. Because I got a couple of diamond paintings from my mom. I think I got her addicted. She just started with a few. I can't even get this open. I had my scissors. I'm struggling today. It's like my birthday all over again. Opening up. Ooh. That's awesome. So I got 2 big trays. This is the one I got. So I got, yeah. So this is like the typical tray that it comes with, right? And to compare, that's what it looks like. Compare, yeah, and then to compare it, like it covers my hand versus it just being like, so it's like twice the size. So like that's really awesome. I'm excited. Yeah, and they both lay pretty fat, so I'm not complaining there. So yeah, I got D trays. I also will be showing what I got for my birthday. I'm so excited. It's kind of funny because when I saw the one that I had gotten for my mom, like I almost got that one. Like that's crazy. Let's see, where was the? I had my trays on here. Yeah. So I ordered the large trays 2 set. I ordered it June 26th. It shipped on June 30th and arrived July 14th. And it was from the AZQSD official store. So yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah, so that's not bad. I'm gonna save the big one for last. I'll do this one. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but I think this is like my baby dragon one. Dragon with books that I received from my mom. Cause I asked her if she wanted, like, cause I got into this and I was like, I can make you guys one if you want. You guys have ideas, and my mom showed off like dragons, owls, or I think she said something else. I don't remember. Yeah. I don't know what this, oh. Is that it? Oh yeah, and it comes in like a bubble wrap. So that's actually nice, in a foam roll. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, so that's my dragon. Baby Dragons of Books. It's a 30 by 40. I ordered it June 26th. It shipped June 30th. And the store is the Mayo store. And I paid $12.70. 70 cents for it. So that's not bad. Came with the white tray, tweezers with the wax in the baggie. Oh my gosh! That's so cool! They sent me like these stickers. They're like Pokemon stickers. That's so adorable! I've never gotten a gift before. So that's awesome. Shoot, my nephew is over and he loves Pokemon. Those are so adorable. Oh, that's so sweet. And that's from the Mayo store. So yeah. See, now I have nails on. So getting this tape off is a little bit harder than normal. But once I get it started, like, pretty much downhill from there. Right. And I believe this one is, these are square. It's a square painting. Yeah, I was not expecting to get a gift from them. That's awesome. I'm gonna just move some of my stuff out of the way. Oh, and it comes on a foam roller, which is like really nice, and it was taped. So see how like rolled that is? Like I can't even like lay it flat. So what we're gonna do, maybe, if I can get this to cooperate with me. And let's not rip this because the one I opened, oh, the one I opened with my mom and my siblings and stuff, I ended up ripping. I was so mad. Ooh, I'm nervous about this one. Let me flatten it out real quick. So pull up the paper and flatten it down. Peel up this side. Oh, and I just ripped it. Oh, and as I was talking about it, I went in ahead and I ripped it. Damn it. Darn it, sorry. That actually, I don't know if you can tell, but that is what it looks like. So I think, I'm so mad I ripped it. Ugh. But it is what it is. It's not as a big rip as I did my other one. Yeah, I think that'll look good. Yeah, I was really excited to get this one. My nails are just like a pain. Make sure I lay this down right. Okay. So yeah, remember how it was like rolling up and everything? See how flat that is? Now you can just like pull back a piece and like start working on it if you really want to. Where did I like moved this out of the way so I could do everything, and then I don't even know where. Can't talk. Didn't even know where I put the drills. Since I have quite a bit to show you, I probably won't do the inventory on camera, but I will do it later. So yeah, let's just take a quick at the drills. And it does come with an inventory sheet, and it has everything like checked off, but I will double check it just in case. And I don't know if you saw it before, but that's what it's supposed to look like. Oh, and they're so adorable. Yeah, so yeah, it's a 30 by 40 square. It's only 20 colors, so that's not bad. It has the number and the quantity. It has the number 1, the code, the DNC number, how many you're supposed to have, and then how many bags. So I have 23 bags of 310s. Go figure. And a black and white picture. So I don't, this one, doesn't have a lot of color. It has a lot of like darker greens and paler colors, and it's got like a purple and a black. Oh, these are all my blacks. A lot of black. But yeah, I'm excited because I'm actually doing this one for my mom. And if my mom doesn't want them, then I'll just stick it up in my house. So yeah, so it came inventory sheet, typical tray, little gift stickers. So yeah, I am very pleased with the store, to be honest. Like, no complaints from me. Definitely liking the store. So yeah, I will do the inventory after I shoot this, so I will put that aside. I'm very pleased about that. Now for the big one. Dun, 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 dun. And it's kind of cool how they put it in like a plastic bag, like a garbage bag, and then they also wrapped it in like a garbage bag. So I don't even know. I didn't even check to see what one this is. So we'll find out together. We'll find out together. I wonder what it could be, because I have like a bunch of stuff coming through hopefully in the next few days. So you might see a lot of unboxing videos from me. The iodine. That's what it looks like. Obviously, I don't know if you can read that, but that's in a foreign language. But that's okay. Because usually they leave instructions. I can't even get the box open. Oh! That's so cute! It's like a little... I think I know what painting this is, and I'm super excited. Little winky face, little gift. And I think... this is like a... yeah, this is like one of those like little mini like diamond pins. That's so adorable. If this is the one I'm thinking it is, I'm kind of excited. I'll have to get that sticky off later because that'll bug me. But yeah, I got a little like pill pen. Your typical tray, your white tray with nicer baggies, tweezers, and wax. Oh, it's like jammed in there. Oh, we have loose diamonds. We have loose diamonds. But look at that color, guys. Oh, I'm gonna have to be careful. There's a bag open. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. But that is my Disney Princess. Oh, it's a round. I thought this was a square. Oh well. I will have to look at that because I thought it was... obviously, I need to pay a little bit more attention, but that's okay. I like having a mixture between round and square because I've only done round, and I think round is really easy. But yeah, a lot. I don't know if you saw that, but there's a lot of fun colors in here, guys. I mean, outside from some of the baggies like ripping, like there's multiple rubber bands on a foam roll, and I'm impressed. I've heard some negative things about, is that home foam? Oh, there's a lot of colors, guys. What did I get myself into? And this is a 40, I believe a 45. Yeah, this is a 45 by 45 color. Oh, what did I get myself into? Oh, again, super rolly. Do you know how we fix that? You know how we're gonna fix that? And I like how it's cut into 2 sections. That way I don't have to cut it as much. You know how we're gonna fix that? And hopefully I don't rip it this time. Oh, that's gonna look so good, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited. Oh, don't rip. I mean, they come in 3s, so if I end up ripping this one, you know, that's gonna look wonderful. Let me get this other side. This is not working for me. Oh, and it's sticky on the taper, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna rub till it's hot, hold it down, and then now when we go up, it's stuck down. So yeah, if you have a paper and the stickies on the top, just rub it really hard and then just hold it for a few seconds, and then that way the sticky adhesive stays to the canvas and not to the plastic. Oh yeah, guys, that's gonna look amazing. That's gonna look adorably amazing. This is gonna be so awesome. Oh, that's like, ugh. The sticker is on top of it. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know if you're seeing this, but oh, there's a glare. You might see it better. But yeah, that is gonna look so amazing. Yeah, and so now it's laying flat. It's not rolling up. So let me peel this back to show you guys what this side does, because I was trying to get it all flat for you. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like Disney princesses. That's gonna look so good. Like, oh, I'm so excited. I'm kind of sad that it's round. But like I said, I probably haven't been paying too much attention when I go to buy it. But I definitely will have to check. But I mean, square, round, they're all the same thing. I mean, they're not, but I get to do the same thing. So yeah, I'm super excited. I will definitely, they marked it off, but I will definitely be doing it again. The symbols, they're very funky symbols, but it's very clear. I don't know if I showed you the last one. Let me show you. I just got excited to open. Had to do the side. Yeah, those are very, very clear. So yeah, this one was a 40 by 40 and a 30 by 40. So yeah, 45 by 40. So yeah, very manageable on my Walmart TV tray desk, which I mainly work on. So yeah. Oh, and then I was gonna show you the 3 that I got. The one that I totally it from my birthday. The symbols on this are very small, but it's very pretty. It's like a mermaid. Looking at a mermaid. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah. So it's like, so yeah, it's like the mermaid. It's called mermaid, but I call it mermaid with moon because probably have a lot of mermaid ones coming. So that one's a fun one. I did the inventory, and I do have all the beads, and I already put it in my organization one. And these are super fun ones that I might get done within a day or 2, just because they're partials, but that's okay, because I can hang them up for like Christmas and stuff. So I don't know if you can see that, but that is Santa. Move this out of the way. So yeah, that's Santa with like Christmas trees and stuff. So yeah, it's not gonna take me terribly long. It is a 30 by 40, but it's only Santa, and I don't know where my mom got these, so but that one's cute. And this one's really cute too. It's like a little witch with a little house and stuff. So that'll be fun to do like around Halloween. And have her hanging up. What I might do is I might have one that's like a 40 by 30 frame, and just swap out like different holiday ones, like Christmas, Halloween, like Valentine's Day, Easter, and so on and so on. So that way I can still like hang them all up, but still like kind of rotate them out of the frame. So yeah, that's just kind of like my unboxing of what I got today, and then the haul that I got for my birthday. So yeah, I'm super excited. My stash is slowly getting bigger. So yeah, I don't even know how big my stash is. I have like 5 or 6 in there, and I just got like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 today, and then I have like 8 or some coming in. So yeah, how many are in your guys' stash? Leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I always answer all of your questions in the comments. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a wonderful day, and just have fun diamond painting. See you next time.